Welcome to a video by Dodge Neon Racing. This is just a real quick video on the power outlet. If your car has your PT Cruiser power outlet goes out, it's different location than on a Dodge Neon. So it's actually located right here, called the power, and it's a 20 amp, which is located. You have a 20 for the IOD, then you have your hazards, and then you have your power. Let's see if we can get a focus here. Yeah, you can see it's blown right there. Let's get this focus back. So I got another 20 up here. You just go ahead and stick that in, and that fixes it. And that is located right underneath your hood. It's a little tight space working to get this on, but make sure this snaps on good. I have to wiggle it around. Alright, now let's go test, make sure that's exactly what it was. My car comes equipped with 2 power outlets, so go ahead and start the car. Let's plug my lights in. Alright, red light comes on, so that's fixed. All you need is a 20 amp located under the hood. It's under PWR for power. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.